ready to move your crypto off Kraken and into another wallet or send it to a friend. Let's dive into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw your coins from Kraken safely and efficiently. First, log into your Kraken account. Once you're in, navigate to the Funding tab located at the top of your screen. On the Funding page, you'll see options for depositing and withdrawing. Select Withdraw. Now, choose the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw from the drop-down menu. Kraken supports a variety of coins, so make sure you select the correct one. If this is your first time withdrawing this particular cryptocurrency, you'll need to add a new withdrawal address. Click on Add Address. You will then need to enter a descriptive name for the address and the withdrawal address. Double check everything. This is essential. A typo here will cause you to lose your crypto forever. Once the address is added, select it from the drop-down menu. Now, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal amounts and transaction fees, which will be clearly displayed. Before finalizing, review all the details on the confirmation screen. This is your last chance to double-check the address, the amount, and the fees. If everything looks good, click Confirm Withdrawal. For security reasons, Kraken will likely send you an email to verify the withdrawal. Check your inbox and click the confirmation link. This extra step ensures that only you can authorize the transaction. After confirming via email, return to Kraken. You can track the status of your withdrawal on the withdrawal history page. The time it takes for the transaction to complete depends on the cryptocurrency and network congestion. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn cryptocurrency from Kraken. Remember to always double-check addresses and be aware of transaction fees. If you encounter any issues, Kraken support team is always available to assist. Happy trading.